right, big news break coming in right on top of 7 p.m. While viewers, it is party number one for the Bharatiya Janata Party across the municipalities of Maharashtra. BMC could be going down to the wire. Neck and neck battle for India's richest civic body. A saffron sweep in Maharashtra, but just not yet in Mumbai. What our sources, our reporters are telling us from ground is that the BJP and the Eknath Shinde combined might just edge ahead and touch the halfway mark, but it doesn't look like a comfortable sweeping win, at least where the BMC is concerned. Trends show BJP still leading in Mumbai. Counting has been done in just 187 wards of the 227 wards in Mumbai. 10 wards have been stuck due to display issues, we are being told. Counting still underway in 30 wards, and even till now, the BJP and the Eknath Shinde combine is shy of the halfway mark. What does that mean? Well, it's like I said, it's not so easy right now on ground of what we are getting in reports on. Let's cut across right now immediately to my colleague Vidya, who's been reporting. Vidya, from 8 a.m., you and I spoke last, we've been speaking through and through. Do we have Vidya with us? Yes, we do. So, Vidya, quick, what's going on? It's now 7 p.m., yet counting isn't complete. While other municipalities have celebrated, BJP is right on top. In where BMC is concerned, still 30 wards to be counted, and the halfway marks yet not reached by the Mahayuti.
Well, Preeti, the kind of system that they had developed, though it was said that each ward counting will be done extremely fast and that in a couple of hours it should get over. However, we saw that because of 227 wards and only 29-30 centers where the counting was really happening, they put in about, each counting center had about 10 and the wards, like 2 wards were being counted at one time. However, there were some technical snags that we had seen even in the morning when I was at the Wilson College counting center. The counting really did not start at 10. It started a little after that, and immediately after that, when the first ward was counted, since the margin was quite low, we could see that the party leaders who were there inside, the party workers, they were questioning the RO. They wanted some probably some recounting, though no one really confirmed that. But there were arguments that were happening that we could see inside the counting center. Similarly, there was technical snags also that was witnessed, and in these 10 wards especially, the technical snag is one of the reasons being cited for this entire hitch, wherein the entire declaration of all the wards is delayed.